and welcome to Enterprising, a show where we bring you all the unheard stories of emerging India. I'm Payal Bhattar. On the show today, our top story first. India adds 12 new mobile users every second. That's 15 million new users in a month and 200 million users in a year. These compelling numbers are driving many entrepreneurs to get into the mobile value-added services space. Isha Dalal tells us more.
Dozens of stores, hundreds of brands, too much variety and a limited budget. It's not easy to be a smart shopper with so many choices at your feet. But if you're looking to break through the clutter, all you have to do is whip out your cell phone. That's because somebody's made it his business to tell you exactly where you'll find what you're looking for at the right price. Welcome to India's only mobile market service, Telebrahma. Telebrahma has tied up with brands like Motorola, Maruti and BlackBerry to strategically deliver their ads to specific targets across 100 locations. So how does the company do this? Simply by identifying where you are through your mobile phone and delivering the best deals available in and around the area where you're shopping. And all that without the customer even contacting the company.
There was an opportunity that existed with respect to advertising market. And see, more importantly, there was a huge retail boom that was happening in the country at the same time.
Telebrahma is expecting the mobile marketing segment to grow to 500 crore rupees in the next 3 to 4 years. And it's hoping to get the first mover advantage by roping in as many as 5 million customers across over 1,000 locations by the end of 2008. The company has revenues of 8 crore rupees and is growing at over 300% every year. But mobile marketing is just one of the many value-added services or VAS that have emerged over the past few years. India's mobile VAS industry is 8,000 crore rupees in size and is growing at over 30% year on year. So we have millions of solutions ranging from gaming to ringtones to wallpapers, and why even mobile payments. And where there's money, entrepreneurs are bound to follow. Take for instance the case of Saurabh Jain, who set up mobile commerce product ngpay in 2006. The company develops software to help customers search, select and pay for utility bills, travel and entertainment on their cell phones. The company has tied up with over 45 vendors and has got PE investors like Helion Venture on board. It's also converted a fledgling operation with an initial investment of 10 lakh rupees to a business that's grossing 30 crore rupees annually.
There is a strong need for such services, and the uptake that we have seen in the last couple of months after our formal launch has been phenomenal.
Uptake that makes ngpay believe it will clock a turnover of over 2,800 crore rupees by 2012. That's not 100 or even 1,000% growth, but a whopping 10,000% growth in 5 years. Impossible, one would think. The company puts it quite simply. If internet commerce can be a $2 billion market with low penetration, mobile commerce, where the penetration is far higher, can easily exceed that. That's the argument that many PE investors like Sequoia Capital are buying.
In many ways, if you look at the first digital experience that a lot of people are going to have outside of television, it's probably going to be with their mobile phone screen. And that prompts people like us at Sequoia to try and figure out what other products and services would these people want to consume on this new device that they have in their pocket.
Sequoia Capital has invested $3 million in mobile gaming company Nazara in 2005. A rather sweet investment for the PE firm, considering that the company has grown nearly 100% year on year for the past 5 years and continues to grow at the same pace. So what's Nazara's magic formula?
I think strong connectivity across carriers in the country, so that you can reach your products to each and every of the 250 million cell phone users is important. Strong initiative in terms of leverage of brands, properties that customers identify with, and good customer service.
If mobile content is bringing in big bucks, then mobile technology providers can't be too far behind. Hyderabad-based IMI Mobile is one such example. The company develops technology platforms for mobile data and aggregates as well as syndicates content for mobile operators. It's been in operation for over a decade now, but got its big push only in the past few years, all thanks to the mobile boom. Currently, IMI has an annual turnover of 120 crore rupees, and the company claims it will touch the 800 crore rupee mark by 2012.
The voice revenues are going to be under pressure because of the competition, and there is always a falling voice rates. That would also make voice service as a commodity. So operators have to look for new avenues of revenue. I think data channel is the key in that respect.
The other high growth area is mobile banking. And even though the Reserve Bank of India, or the RBI, has yet to draft guidelines for mobile banking transactions, many entrepreneurs have already jumped into the fray.
One large new chunk of VAT which is going to be coming in very shortly within India as well is this entire mobile payments piece. You know, the card is pretty much going to take on the role of the other plastic card that we use.
Mobile operators too are keen on this card game. After all, VAS providers account for over 10% of their revenues. And if the experience of developed markets is anything to go by, this 10% share could well grow by over 100%. In markets like Japan, non-voice revenues account for over 25% of mobile operator revenues. So it looks like the value-added services space is in for some good times over the next few.
Well, that's all we have for you on this episode of Enterprising. Do keep watching this space for more. Thanks for watching.